Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ is reporting that currency take-up during the holiday period was weaker than expected. The central bank projected that financial institutions would take up about $7.3 billion for the period. However, during the last 5 work days of December, the BOJ issued only $2.9 billion to financial institutions. That's 60% lower than the bank expected. There is normally a stronger demand for currency during the month of December, associated with increased spending over the holiday period. As a result, financial institutions would request more currency from the BOJ to satisfy this demand. However, this year the demand fell to the lowest it has been in more than a decade. And Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark is expecting economic growth in the 2020-2021 fiscal year to be above 1%. The Finance Minister said modest economic expansion continues despite the closure of the JISCO ALPART plant last September, which resulted in a 17.6% decline in output in the bauxite alumina sector. Earlier this year, Statin reported that the economy grew by 0.6% in the June to September quarter when compared to the same period in 2018. Now, Dr. Clark added that Jamaica's economy is showing signs of resilience despite external economic shocks in the third quarter of 2019. And at the end of the first day of trading for 2020, the US dollar sold for $133.10. The Canadian dollar closed at $100.14. The pound is going for $174.72, while the euro is selling for $147.18. And gas prices are up this week. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline is costing 7 cents more. The cost for automotive diesel is up by 5 cents, while ultra-low sulfur diesel is going for 3 cents more. Kerosene was increased by 5 cents. The price of propane has declined by $2.99, and butane is down $1.50. And the JC index gained 2,949 points today, while the junior market index is up by 15 points. Among the winners were Dolphin Cove, Honeybun, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Pulse Investments. On the losing side were Sterling Investments, JMMB Group 7.50%, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Lasco Financial Services, and Paramount Trading. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.